Pleasant morning to you all students. How are you all? Hope you all were fine and good at your home. Please be safe and be obedient and protective at your home. Okay. Once again, I welcome you all for the online class session. As we were learning nowadays, as this is a max chapter, we might be learning the problems from the chapter 1, isn't that, ma'am? And in that, you might be learning the problems nowadays from functions. So as per the continuation only, today we are also going to see some problems on your exercise. Okay, before moving into the problem, I'll recall the definition that you learned in your previous classes. Hope you all remember the definition. Just as a short form only I have written the definition here. You all might be learned composition of function. Composition means combining two functions. So there would be two functions, f from a to b and g from b to c, denoted by g of f, which is defined as g of f of x, which is equal to, using this bracket, for all these x belongs to capital A. And using this composition of function, we might be learn some problems also, example problem, and in exercise up to the fourth problem you might be learned in your previous class. Today we are going to learn the remaining problems. So by composition of two function, there are three more problems are remaining in your exercise. As I write the exercise number, page number, please check it in your book also. Okay, so today we were going to look out the problems from exercise 1.5, the problems 5, 6 and 7. These three problems we are going to learn today. Okay, please be with your book, be attentive on your class. Okay, be attentive, be regular. Okay, not only watching, you should work out the problems also. Keep up the notes with you. I hope you all were following the notes as per your daily portion. Please write down the notes. It will be useful to you for your upcoming days. Okay, there would be exam, so that the notes will be very important. So please be attentive and regular. Okay, so today let's all move to the class. First I'll write out the question anyway, but you should be ready with your book also. Okay, so first we will see the fifth problem. Okay, so they were saying, let capital A, B and C contained in capital N and functions f from A to B be defined by. So here how they are defining is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, and g from B to C defined by, so there are two functions f and g. Okay, and g of x is defined as g of x is equal to x square. We are going to find, so they are asking you to find range of f of g and g of f. So range means you might be already learned the definition of the range also in your previous class. So let's see the problems. Okay, so in this question, how many functions are there? Yeah, two functions, that is f of x and g of x. Find out the range of f of g and g of f. For this we might be need what? Yeah, f of g is equal to what and g of f is equal to what we needed, isn't that, ma? So let's see that first. Okay, So once find out the functions, then we will find out the range. Okay, so first f of g, isn't that f of g, as per our definition, how we can write? Yeah, f of g of, so which is equal to f of, what is g of x? It is given in your question, that is g of x is equal to x square. So we might be getting f of x square. We already have f of x is equal to, hope you all know to substitute the how to substitute the values, isn't that ma? So f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So f of x square is equal to, what you will get? Yeah, in the place of x we will put x square, isn't that? So 2x square plus 1. This is what? Then find out a g of f. So g of f of x, isn't that ma? So which is equal to g of, what is f of x is? Yeah, 2x plus 1. So we already have g of x is equal to x square. So g of 2x plus 1 means, yeah, you will get, yeah, 2x plus 1 the whole square. Yes, so 2x plus 1 the whole square. Now we need what? Yeah, so they ask you to find a range of f of g, isn't that ma? So range of f of g is equal to, how we can write? Yeah, so 2x square plus 1, for all this x belongs to capital, sorry, so ABC contained in n, and range of g of f we needed, isn't that ma? So what is g of s is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 the whole square for all x belongs to capital N. Okay, so first find out whatever you needed, that is we need f of g and g of f, then write us the range. Okay, so here two functions given, and the two functions they defined as f of x and g of x, they ask you to find out the range. Hope you understand it. Yes, so very simple, isn't that ma? Now let's see the next problem. Okay, as your sixth one. Your exercise problems, three problems are very simple problems only. Okay, so let's see the sixth one. I'll write out the question first. Okay, so the question is, let's so only one function is defined here, that is f of x is equal to x square minus 1. You have to find first f of f, okay, then second f of f. Okay, so only one function defined here. Using that function they ask you to find out two subdivision, isn't that very simple ma? Let's see. Okay, so first one is, so given f of x is equal to x square minus 1. So first f of f. So how we can write this? Yeah, f of x. So f of, what is f of x is? We have, yeah, x square minus 1. Yes? Now again. So f of x square minus 1. We have f of x is equal to x square minus 1. Isn't that? So in the place of x, we have to substitute whatever the f of x value. Isn't that? So what you will get? Yeah, x square minus 1. So the whole square minus 1. Yes? Now, this is of which form? Yeah. A minus b the whole square. We know that. What is that? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here in the place of a you got what? X square, and in the place of b we got what? Minus 1. Just substitute it. Okay. So let's see what we will get. So yeah, a square, isn't that? So x square the whole square minus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into a, x square into 1. Yes, plus b square, that is 1 square minus 1. So finally, so x power a power m the whole power m n form. A power m into n. So x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 minus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, remaining x power 4 minus 2. This is what? Very simple. Yes, very simple only now. So let's see the next one. So second approach, it would be a little bit more easy. So f of f. So from the last one by one we will find out. So how we can write? So f of f means f of x. So f of, we already have f of f, otherwise f of x is equal to, what's the value we have? Yeah. So how we can write f of x power 4 minus isn't that ma? Since if they didn't ask out this as your first subdivision means anyway you have to do everything and then only we can write it. As it is in the same question we already have. So from subdivision 1. Okay. So now, so we have f of x is equal to x square minus 1. Now in the place of x here we got what? Yeah, x power 4 minus 2x square, isn't that? Must substitute it. So x power 4 minus 2x square the whole square minus 1. Now same as we have already the formula a minus b the whole square. Here in the place of a we have what? Yeah, here in the place of a you got x power 4 and in the place of b we got 2x square. So let's substitute it. A square. So x power 4 the whole square minus 2ab, isn't that ma? So 2 into x power 4 into 2x square plus b square means 2x the whole square minus 1. So now substitute it. So which is equal to x power 8 minus 2 to 4. Now x power 4 into x power 2. This is of what form? A power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m plus n. So do it. So x power 6 plus 4x square. So this is f of f. While substituting, we should be very careful. In the place of x, here whatever in the bracket we have to substitute it, isn't that, ma? So please be careful and do it. Okay, so we saw two problems, isn't that, 5 and 6. Yes, so let's see one more problem also. So today I said you were learning 3 problems, isn't that? Let's see the last problem, that is near same exercise, our 7th problem. Okay, let's see the 7th one. Let's see the question. So here in this question they are mentioning 2 functions, that is if f from capital R to R, comma g from capital R to R are defined as, so both were from same function, isn't that? So defined by f of x is equal to x power 5, comma g of x is equal to x power 4. You have to check if f comma g are 1 1 and f of g is 1 1. Okay, so 1 1 function means both should be equal, isn't that, ma'am? 1 1 function means both should be equal. So let's see, very simple. Okay, let's see that. So given 2 function f of x, given f of x is equal to x power 5, comma g of x is equal to x power 4. So 1 1 means both should be equal. Here according to equal they didn't given any condition, so we are considering. Okay, consider f of x1 which is equal to, okay, so first we are checking, check f is 1, so that we are considering 2 function. So we consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2, isn't that? So we have f of x equal to x power 5. So f of x1 means, yeah, x1 power 5 which is equal to x2 power 5. Now how to check whether these two, this is x1, this is x2, isn't that, ma? For example, if x is equal to 1 means, okay, if x is equal to 1 means f of x is equal to, yeah, 1 power 5 which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 means, yes. So here in the place of 1 means you will get 1 only, isn't that? So that x1 power 5 means how we can write x1 which is equal to, both values should be same only. If you substitute 2 means also 2 power 5 which is equal to 2 power 5 only you will get, isn't that, ma? So both will be equal, so that we can say f is yes. So here if it is a plus value means we will get in plus, if it is in minus value means we will get in minus, yes. So this is so that we can write f as 1 1. Now we have to check g is 1 1, same, okay, same, consider. So since this is a function of g, so we have to consider g of x1 which is equal to g of x2. Yes, so let's see what we will get. Okay, so here x1 power 4 which is equal to x2 power. So here see, if the power is even, if the value is plus means we will get plus. If the value is minus means also we will get plus only. Isn't that ma? So how we can write is x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Yes, but while in power odd means, okay, whatever the simple we substitute, that only after the power value also you'll get. If you put it in plus means we'll get plus. If you put it in minus means we'll get in minus. But in even condition, plus or minus, we'll get the answer in plus only. So that we can write whether we don't know whether it would be plus or minus. Okay, based on the symbol. So here x1 whether is equal to x2, no, plus or minus condition is there. We don't know whether it is plus or minus, so we cannot be able to say. So that whether we can say which is 1 no. Therefore G is not. Hope you understand the condition. That is F is 1 1 Y and G is Y, it is not 1 1 condition. Okay, so they ask us to check whether F and G are 1 1. So here you look into F is 1 1 and G is not 1 1. So if you put out the composite function means whether that would be 1 1 function, no. Okay, so hope you understand what I teach in today's classes. Okay, please work out the problems. Okay ma, so whatever we learned today, very simple. The functions problem should be very simple. The functions were defined there, we have to substitute it in. Yes, functions will be defined there, we have to substitute it. So please take out the notes. Okay, take out the notes properly and be on the classes regularly. Okay, be on the classes regularly. Be smart, be good, be obedient at your home. Okay, and especially please be safe and make your family also safe. Hope you all understand what I teach today. Catch you on the next class. Okay, thank you all.